President Trump has sent a dramatic signal ordering all residents of Tehran to evacuate immediately. At the same time, China is sending key missile materials to Iran, potentially enabling hundreds of ballistic missile launches. I am Uma, this is Trendline Times. Here's the full breakdown of what's happening and what it means. On June 17th, President Trump issued a series of direct posts on Truth Social. His key messages included: everyone should immediately evacuate Tehran. Iran should have signed the deal. I told them to sign. What a shame and waste of human life. He demanded Iran's unconditional surrender and stated, "We know exactly where Khamenei is hiding. He's an easy target, but not for now." Trump not only warned civilians, he also implied US military tracking of Iran's leader. He left the G7 summit early, heading back to Washington for crisis consultations. US President ordering a foreign city evacuation is unprecedented, signaling deep intelligence awareness and potential military escalation. Trump's message sets a high-stakes context. 1. Civilians are at risk. 2. US tracking of Iran's strategic figures is on display. And 3. Diplomacy has begun to retreat. Simultaneously, China is reportedly dispatching massive quantities of missile fuel precursor to Iran. Thousands of tons of ammonium perchlorate shipped via Hong Kong-based Lion Commodities to Iranian firms developing solid fuel ballistic missiles. US estimates this material could power up to 800 missiles, some possibly shared with Iran-backed groups like the Houthis. While China denies direct weapons transfers, the explosive power of dual-use materials is undeniable. This is not an aqueous trait, it is strategic backup for Tehran's missile firms. International sanctions have targeted Chinese firms and their Iranian partners for shipping these precursors. Remember, ammonium perchlorate is legal for rocket launches, yet deadly in war. Chinese firms may evade scrutiny, but the impact is felt here. They are selling ingredients, not the bombs, but the bombs follow. Here is what this means on world stage. Trump's evacuation orders signal US readiness to escalate. China's fuel supplies increase Iran's ballistic capacity. The US has increased its defensive posture in the region, preparing for potential missile threats. When one superpower warns with words and the other arms with substance, diplomacy falters and war risk surges. President Trump's evacuation warning, China's missile fuel shipments, these are not isolated headlines. They are pieces of a global chessboard. At Trendline Times, I'm Uma. See you next update. Stay tuned, stay connected, because the next move, whichever direction it comes from, will change everything.